Hello students, so today we are going to discuss the important topics from the chapter electromagnetic induction. So here are the some of the important topics from this chapter for your board exam. The first topic which is magnetic flux. So in this topic you'll have to study the definition of magnetic flux, its unit, okay, and the dimension of magnetic flux, which is the expression is phi is equal to b cos theta. Its definition along with its expression and units along with the dimension of magnetic flux. The next is Faraday's experiment. In Faraday's experiment you'll have to study Faraday's law, okay, the expression of Faraday's law along with its definition. The next is the Lenz's law. In Lenz's law you'll have to study the definition of Lenz's law, okay, along with its expression. In this topic you'll also have to study the principle of conservation of energy in accordance to Lenz's law. I'm repeating that again. It's the principle of conservation of energy in accordance with the Lenz's law. Next is the Fleming's right hand rule. Okay, which you have already studied in class 10. So this topic is a very important topic. So the next topic which is important is motional EMF. So what happens when a conductor is placed in when a moving conductor is placed in a perpendicular magnetic field, okay, there will be an EMF produced in the conductor. So that is called as the motional EMF. So you'll have to study this topic and how it is produced, its expression, okay. The next is the eddy current. As you can see, eddy current, it is also known as Foucault current. Its expression along with the example of how of various situations in which eddy current is produced. The example of various situation in which the eddy current is produced, okay. The next topic which is important is self-inductance. You'll have to study its unit along with the definition of self-inductance, its dimension, the factors on which self-inductance depends. This is a very important topic, okay. You'll have to study the derivation of the expression for self-inductance and some numericals. You can see some numericals from this topic. The next which is important is mutual inductance. Unlike these self-inductance, you'll have to also study mutual inductance. In this topic you'll also have to study the definition along with the expression of mutual inductance along with its unit, okay, the unit of mutual inductance and the factors on which the mutual inductance depends. So these are some of the important topic from this chapter. So thank you, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.